Hello viewers, today I am with a very well-known personality of Chandigarh, and he is popularly known as life coach and social activist. He served Indian Army, he is author of many books, he was key speaker in many national and international seminars. Currently he is president of Residential Welfare Association of Sector 13, Chandigarh, which is the biggest residential welfare association of Tri-City. So let's go and meet him. One more question comes to my mind is, what is fight and flight?
Oh yes, no stress management topic is complete without knowing fight or flight. मतलब लड़ो या दौड़ जाओ.
Okay.
So the advantage of this is when you fight or flight, the stress hormones which are released in your system gets neutralized and they do not cause a long-term damage. So for example, our ancestors in the prehistorical days, they used to go out for hunting in the jungle and they used to carry one danda with them.
Mm-hmm.
So if they face a small little animal like a dog or so he used to fight with it.
Mm-hmm.
Fight with that lathi,
Mm-hmm.
so that he fight. Or if there was a bigger animal like a wild rich aa gaya ya kuch aa gaya, then you can't fight with lathi.
Yes.
Then they used to
Flight.
flee. Used to दौड़ के अपने to save themselves.
जान बचाओ.
Save. So flight and fight. Mean in this case the stress hormones which were released, they got neutralized. But today what's happening is, we understand that suppose your boss call you in the office and start shouting at you, rebuking at you. No, you can neither fight with him,
Yeah. Oh yes.
nor you can say भी तू बोलता रहे मैं जा रहा हूँ. So that means all that thing you have carried in your system, that is the worst form of stress created in your mind.
We have to absorb everything in our body.
It's this called pressure cooker
Okay.
type of thing.
Mm-hmm.
उससे इतना प्रेशर बनता है कि वो स्ट्रेस देता है. So now the point at issue is that can we change the things as it is around us? Because today we live from one stressful situation to another because life is so hectic, life is so fast-paced. We generally remain under tension and stress because situations develop in your day-to-day life from morning till evening are such that there is something to feel worried about. For example, if you go to bed a little late, you get up in the morning late,
Yeah.
then hurriedly breakfast, you go to the place of work, there is a traffic jam, stress ho gaya. When you go there, your boss asking you question, why are you late? Then you are nervous, you are not able to focus. So, point is, now you link it with the effect on your body. If you are under stressful situation all the time, what's happening? Your liver is releasing glucose all the time, more than it should do it.
More than what your body needs.
Needs it. That means diabetes ko hoga na.
Oh.
Secondly, your arteries leading to your heart and brain, they remain contrived. उनको खुलने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा.
No stress.
Stress. So you are living from one situation to another. And if your cholesterol level, bad cholesterol level is little high, then we say इसको heart attack हो गया, इसको brain hemorrhage हो गया. So all that. So therefore, the present modern life is such that it is really harming us. So the point to now note is that do we want to live in this like this only, or should we do something? We can't change the world.
Yeah.
दुनिया तो ऐसे चलेगी.
We need to balance between work, home, and stress.
We have to, very good thing you said, balance the things and also learn the tips how to manage stress.
ਸਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਐਸਪੈਕਟ ਕਵਰ ਕਰ ਲਏ. ਹੁਣ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਲੇਮੈਨ ਦੇ ਤੌਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੰਪਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ। ਸਾਨੂੰ ਟਿਪਸ ਦਿਓ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਡੇ ਟੂ ਡੇ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਮੈਨੇਜ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰੀਏ, ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਆਫਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਵੇਅਰ ਵੀ ਨੀਡ ਯੋਰ ਹੈਲਪ ਫॉर your tips.
Good. Say, knowing about stress is not enough. As you rightly said, we should know how to manage it.
Manage कितना करना?
So there are two routes from here to manage stress. One is the psychological tips, which we'll discuss right now. Other is a meditation route.
Okay.
So that is another session we'll do sometime later.
Okay.
So we will now discuss that how to manage stress psychologically. So in my book on stress management, I have given about 20 tips on this,
Okay.
but we'll discuss couple of them today,
Okay. ये main ਆਪਾਂ
depending on the time available.
हाँ जी sir.
Now, if you have noticed that, suppose you are working and your boss gives you a task. At the weekend, he says, "This is the project, please do it, bring it back on Monday." Now, the worker has two options. One is he appreciates that boss has selected me to perform this task. There were other unko nahi diya. And now I have got an opportunity to show my worth,
Ability. हाँ.
do my best, put up this project, and this will help me in my next promotion also. And if the boss is happy, तो increment भी हो जाएगा. So when he does this work, he will have no stress. But see another worker who says, "Yeah, what the hell? Why me? There are 5 people in my team. He always gives tasks to me. And the weekend, my weekend is also spoiled. And these projects are worthless. इनका कोई फायदा होता तो है नहीं." So he will do this work, but he will do this work under stress. So the lesson learned is, if you do a thing with a positive attitude,
How you individually taking that stress? Positive
then
or
how do you
negative?
take that task in a positive manner? Then there will be no stress.
Okay.
If you take that task in a negative manner, think of the darker side of it, not the brighter side of it.
ਗਲਾਸ ਭਰਿਆ ਖਾਲੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ
ਆ
ਭਰਿਆ
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ ਗਲਾਸ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਧਾ ਖਾਲੀ ਕਹਿ ਦਿਓ ਜਾਂ ਅੱਧਾ ਭਰਿਆ ਕਹਿ ਦਿਓ.
ਹਾਂ.
So this is one thing.